Hello guys, I'm Hanudeep and today I'm going to explain you database explain number 5 based on views and subqueries. So for this the first question is create a view, customer view based on the customer ID, customer name from the customer table. Change the heading of the city displayed as customer city. Display the contents of customer view. So for this create view, customer view as select customer ID, customer name, city, customer city from customer. So the output is like create view, customer view, select customer ID, customer name, customer city from customer, and view is created. So after that select star from customer view, order by customer ID ascending. So it will display the customer name and customer city and ID in the ascending order. And the second question is select the view name and text from the user views data dictionary view. So for this select view name text from user view. So it will display the total view names from the user view in the data dictionary. So these are the views which were displayed. And the third question is using a customer view enter a query to display all customer names and customer city. So for this select customer name, customer city from customer table. So it will display the customer name and city. Create a view named CA view that contains the customer ID, customer names and customer address for all customers in the city A, CA. Display the structure and contents of the CA view. So for this create a view named CA view as select customer ID, customer name, city, customer address, postal code from customer where state equal to CA. So it will display the customer ID, customer name, address and postal code which are in type like number, varchar and number. So and the output is it will show the customer name, customer address and postal code and also the customer ID. Attempt to reassign Mary Smith to the city NT in CA view. Is the view updatable? If yes, is the updation reflected in the base table? So for this update CA view, set customer address equal to NT where customer name equal to Mary Smith, because we have to reassign Mary Smith, so customer name is given as Mary Smith. So and the output is in this form, and we can also check the table by using select star from CA view. Create a view V1 to display the customer name, order ID and quantity. Create a view V2 to display the order ID, order date and the date of delivery. Create a view V3 with customer name, order ID and order date from V1 and V2. So for this create a view V3 as select V customer name, V dot order ID, V2 dot order date from VU1 V comma VU2 V2 where V dot order ID equal to V2 dot order ID. So and the view is created. So in order to describe the view, uh, type it as DESC VU1. So it will display the customer name and type of the customer name, order ID, order quantity and all. And now display the latest 10 orders. So for this, select row order ID, order date from select order ID, order date from order by order ID describe where row is less than or equal to 10. So for this, it will display the order ID and order date and row which were less than or equal to 10. So it will display up to 8 rows are selected. List the two order ID with least order quantity. So for this, select row as order ID, order quantity from select order ID, order quantity from order line, order by order quantity in ascending order where row is less than or equal to 2. So only 2 rows were selected because it is less than or equal to 2. So and it also displays the order ID and order quantity. Find the IDs of customer who have ordered for a cherry or red oak finish. So for this, select customer ID from orders where order ID in select order ID from order line where product ID equal to any select from ID from product where product finish equal to cherry or product finish equal to red oak. So first it will display the orders based on which were order ID, order date and customer ID, and in the next product ID, product description, product finish, product line ID and also the price. And in the next, if we want to check the order line, so select star from order line. So for after this, it will display the order ID, product ID, order quantity and also the price. So totally 11 rows were selected. Find the IDs of customer who have ordered for the product ID table lamp. So select customer ID from orders where order ID equal to order ID in select order ID from order line table where product description equal to table lamp. So the product description is table lamp. It will display the customer IDs according to the query. Find the details of customer who have ordered for product ID 1000. So for this, select star from customer where customer ID in select customer ID from orders where order ID in select order ID from order line table where product ID equal to any select product ID from order line table where product ID equal to 1000. So we have to display the customers who have selected product ID equal to 1000. And find the suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier called S3. So for this, select S name some quantity from suppliers group by S name having some quantity greater than any. select quantity from suppliers where s name equal to some random AAA. So it will display the supplier ID, supplier name, vendor, supplier date, and product ID, quantity, and also the product rating. So totally 8 rows were selected. And for the next query, it will display the supplier name and quantity. Find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So for this, select star from suppliers, because it will display the total details of suppliers who were using highest rating. So totally 8 rows were selected, and after that select supplier name from suppliers where rating equal to all. Select max rating from suppliers and select supplier name from suppliers where rating equal to all. So first one is repeated. So it will display the supplier name who is using maximum rating 1000. Sorry, maximum rating. Display the products that are same as the product order ID ordered by Kathy Cook. So for this, select distinct product description from product where product ID in. Select ID from order line where order ID in. Select order ID from orders where customer ID in. Select customer ID from customer where customer name equal to Kathy Cook. So for this, first it will display the customer table, describe the customer table, and after that the required query is used. And the fifth question is, display the supplier details whose supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of order ID. So select supplier name, supplier ID, rating from suppliers where s dot product ID equal to. Select OQ dot product ID from order line table where order ID equal to 103 and quantity is greater than OQ ordered quantity. So totally no rows were selected for this query. Display the order quantity of the order whose order date is greater than order date of the order ID 106. Select order quantity from order line table where order ID equal to any. Select order ID from orders where order date greater than. Select order date from orders where customer ID equal to 106. So we have to display the order quantity whose order date is greater than order date of order ID 106. So for this also no rows were selected. And this is the end of experiment number 5, views and subqueries.